Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, power down and unplug the PC, then ground yourself to avoid static damage. Remove the case panel and expose the GPU. You need clear access to the shroud and fan connectors. Identify whether the fans use 3-pin or 4-pin headers and locate any separate fan hubs or RGB controllers. Once done, keep screws and brackets organized. Make sure to have a clean, well-lit workspace. And confirm the GPU is cool to the touch. Before touching fan blades, you now route the fan cables neatly along the chassis edges so they do not rub the heatsink or spin into blades. Match each plug. A 4-pin goes into a PWM header for precise speed control, while a 3-pin uses voltage-based control. If you have a fan hub, daisy chain according to the hub labeling. Once done, fasten cables with zip ties every 4-6 inches and leave a small service loop near connectors. And make sure no wire touches hot components or blocking vents. You finish by reconnecting power and booting to BIOS or a fan control utility in the OS to verify each fan spins and reports RPM. Once done, run a short load test and adjust the fan curve or PWM profile so idle noise and cooling meet your goals. Make sure temperatures respond as expected. If a fan does not spin, try swapping connectors or cables to isolate the fault. If still dead, inspect the fan for physical blockage or damaged solder joints and replace the fan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.